Welcome. Good to have you with us.
Thanks.
Good. We usually see you on the stock draft, right?
Yeah. Well, I was hard to compete with, what was it, NVIDIA this year.
Yeah,
I think Netflix did well, but NVIDIA crushed
you can't
it.
beat NVIDIA this year. Let's talk about incredible growth at Meta in the ad business year over year through the last quarter. What are you looking for this quarter, and can they keep it up?
I think they are going to keep it up. So Meta, I think what last year showed is when they get very focused, they have a lot of leverage in the business. And a lot of that leverage comes from the advertising tech. Essentially, if they can drive more visits to a brand, more revenue to a brand, that brand's going to step up to the plate and spend those dollars. And so that's what happened. I think that will continue. And also, I think Q1, at least in Mountain's business, is off to a really nice start, and I think the same is happening with Meta and Google and others. So I think it's just going to be an overall great quarter, and I think they'll continue that. I don't see anything that will slow that down in the foreseeable future.
Their ad revenue, let's see, 25% year on year. Total impressions and price per ad, that has been delivering very well. So on all of the advertising metrics, this thing is hot as they come.
Yeah. The thing about Meta is all other ad platforms kind of descend from Meta. So if you go to TikTok, you go to Pinterest, you go to any of these companies, they're almost all staffed by people who are at Meta. So they literally wrote the book on this, and they're very good at it.
So let's talk a little bit about today's news, and that is the potential that TikTok will be banned in the United States. I don't know whether that will happen. There's a lot that needs to happen between now and that point. There will be legal challenges, potentially constitutional challenges. But if it were to happen, would Meta be the principal beneficiary?
I think that they would be one of the big beneficiaries. But it won't occur overnight. The way performance advertisers think, it's like they're managing a portfolio of marketing dollars. And just like in the stock market, sometimes you just think, you know what, I'm just going to sit it out. So it's not like those dollars are just going to instantly shift to Meta if that were to occur. But they and others, Amazon, others, hopefully my company, would all benefit over time. But it wouldn't be like, quarter over quarter, like just a massive shift to any of those companies, including Meta.
Mark, always great to see you. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you.